Hey people, what's up? Hey peeps, welcome to the video. I'm home again. School tomorrow. I know. Pain in the butt, isn't it? Yeah. Got a haircut. Yeah. My room signs. Watch it. Precaution. I'm back here. Hello. Hey peeps, and we're gonna do an unboxing video tomorrow. You know? Just chilling in my own bed. I'm tired. Took my sleeping pills. I'm getting sick of the sleeping issues I had. I'm trying to stay up at school I can for tomorrow. People, make sure you take your sleeping pills or you're low energy. Sometimes I'll sleep afternoons on weekends. Whoa. My light bulb. My light bulb just went bloom. Alright people, that's not gonna be it right now. I was gonna tell you. We got our UPS hooked up to the other one. I'll show you what my compartment looks like from my refrigerator. Alright. My back. It's not hurting. It's doing alright. Comment below with what it's going to be. A big size, a cooler. It's coming tomorrow. My shelf will be here September 10th or the 13th. My parents will be away the 10th. Don't worry. It's none of your business. Not a big deal. Update my YouTube profile. Make sure you go check it out and enjoy the entertainment. It's like Alexa's videos are delayed right now. Okay? Alright, 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh. Alright, people, this looks like. That's my compartment. Alright, people. It's a little quieter. Right here. And it's not a prison cage, it's a room where you put your cooler, my multimeter stuff, everything. It's gonna be in there. Here's the UPS. There we go. It's noisy, isn't it? Yeah, alright. Alright, sorry about that noise. There's the lithium batteries. If your power goes out, just store it in the very gap. Alright peeps, we get everything installed. It's not off-grid thing. It's about prepare for our power outage, like hackers hacking our power grids. I'm scared of that. I'm scared of hackers. Don't say anything about Russians. They don't want to know. Don't worry about it. It's just joking. Alright. Alright. Forza battery. Comment below what's this going to do. It's going to power up the whole entire system batteries. I don't know. Let's see. My iPad's charging. That's where my phone compartments are. Alright. Where's my dagnabbit? You know me, people. School's tomorrow. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. There's no charging compartment available. Just anyway. Move this freaking door. Oh, my face. Alright. Comment below so it's messed up my daddy's electric bill. Comment below. Alright. Alright people, that's my phone charger. If the power goes out, those puppies will get on going for you. Alright, let's get our cord. I'll teach you how to install your own UPS room, people. Oh, God. This is messed up. Alright people, it's gonna be under there. I'll put the system. Alright, people. It's not clickbait. Ow! Oh! Ow! My ankle, dagnabbit. I get feisty. Look at that freaking cord. Yeah. Alright, people, I got that. Alright, people, we got everything installed properly. I think about around 10:30. I'm kind of freaking tired. I want to get the school over with tomorrow. What freak, man? Are you kidding me? Give me that cord. People, if I break that cord, I have to buy another one. Give me that cord. It's right here. Come on. People, this is not right. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Everything's all good. Let's see how's it going here. Alright, everything's good. Everything's installed. My UPS room. This is gonna be my refrigerator room, people. The table's gonna be in the way. I might work them on the way. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end the video here, and thanks for. Make sure you keep it going. And Alexa videos I might be on anyway. I might do on Christmas break, depends, I don't know. I think I'll do on Thanksgiving break, maybe. Alright, people, that'll be it for you guys, and keep it going, and make sure you keep it going. Pay your electric bills, and don't lose power. That's how it works. Goodbye.